Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of foldable technology with the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This next-generation foldable smartphone is set to push the boundaries of innovation with its sleek design, powerful hardware, and cutting-edge features. Let's explore what makes the Galaxy Z Fold 7 a standout in the foldable phone market. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 retains the familiar design elements of its predecessor, but introduces several minor tweaks that enhance its overall look and feel. The squared-off edges are maintained, giving the device a premium, modern appearance. One noticeable improvement is the slightly wider display, which provides a more expansive and immersive viewing experience. These subtle yet significant design changes contribute to a more refined and user-friendly device. Next, let's talk about the cameras on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. This device features dual under-display cameras both on the internal and cover screens. These cameras provide a seamless design without compromising on the quality of selfies and video calls. Additionally, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 boasts a triple rear camera setup, similar to that of the S25 Plus, ensuring that you can capture stunning photos and videos with ease. The display on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is another area where significant improvements have been made. The device features a brighter and more accurate 7.7-inch internal AMOLED display, as well as a 6.4-inch external AMOLED display. These screens offer vibrant colors and sharp details, making your viewing experience more immersive. Moreover, the improved hinge design eliminates the common issue of creasing, providing a smooth and uninterrupted display. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 processor, ensuring top-notch performance. With 16 GB of RAM and storage options up to 1 TB, this device can handle any task you throw at it, from multitasking to gaming. The 4,500 mAh battery provides ample power to keep you going throughout the day, making sure you're always connected and productive. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be launched in July 2025, with a starting price of approximately $1,900. This premium device is set to make waves in the market, offering cutting-edge technology and a sleek design that justifies its price point. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 represents the future of foldable technology. With its refined design, powerful hardware, and advanced features, this device is poised to redefine the smartphone experience. Stay tuned for more updates as we approach the launch date, and get ready to be amazed by the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7.